Hey everyone, I know that you all love and respect the honesty and transparency of this channel and my videos, and we really appreciate the loyal following amongst our subscribers. This is why I'm making this super quick video today, to ensure that I continue to be super honest and transparent with you guys and there are really no misunderstandings. So as you noticed, I've been getting more and more fund managers on the channel, right? Fund managers who have funds that I'm personally invested in. I know many of you watching are funds like Hamilton ETFs, BMO, Purpose Investments, and there are many more to come. I got Harvest, Brompton, Middlefield. I have either already done those interviews or have scheduled them. So get ready for more great content ahead with the experts themselves who actually manage the funds we invest in. This is literally a dream come true for me to bring you this great content. So if you're a longtime follower, you know that so far I have not had any sponsorships whatsoever on my YouTube channel. The truth is that we got many sponsorship opportunities, especially as a finance or financial channel for over a year now, and we refused all of them. Why is that? Because they had nothing to do with the channel, the content, and the mission of this channel, which is investing for passive income. So just to give you an idea, we refused multiple sponsorships, including from Seeking Alpha, multiple crypto related stuff, teeth whitening products, multiple online brokers, which I cannot endorse because I've never used them. Masterworks was a really legit and big one where you could invest in modern art easily. We even had a Zoom call with their director of marketing, but after it was clear that the investment would not provide passive income, it was more of a growth investment, we turned it down, and many more, right? So I'm telling you this because so you understand really that I will always be true to the mission and the content of this channel. That is a promise I always intend to keep. So I'm also telling you this because we did recently confirm our first sponsorship deal for the month of March. So for the entire month of March, we will be sponsored and we are partnering up with Harvest Portfolios Group, one of my favorite Canadian fund managers. They are sponsoring us. So why did we accept this sponsorship? Well, because it's 100% related to the channel and the mission, right? So you guys already know that I personally invested in multiple Harvest ETFs because they are really designed for passive income. They have a lot of great covered call ETFs. And as the channel gets bigger, there might be more sponsorships coming up, but they will always be related with what we're doing here, the mission of this channel. So if it's not, I will never accept them because my top priority will always be to stay true to the mission and content, which is always going to be about investing for passive income. So thanks for your continued support and your loyal viewership. We really appreciate it. Stay tuned for much more great content ahead. And of course, stay passive.